Number one, she is a blessing to her mother, that we should all stop abusing her mother. We should please stop. Her mother is a fantastic woman. She said that her mother and her brothers, her mother and her brothers, they did not give their consent. They refused. They against her. They advised her against this marriage, but that she, in fact, wanted to take her life. I don't want to use the word gbogbo, S-U-I, you understand? She wanted to take her life. That's what she came out to say. I'm sure you people heard it. That she wanted to take her life. And she also went to report them at the police station. She also went to report them at the police station that they did not want her, they are not supporting her to marry someone that then she truly was in love with, Ned Nwoko. You know, we listen, we don't judge. Regina is our daughter. Many of us here, we can give birth to her. My firstborn is older than her. She's 24. She's my second born's age group. So she's a baby. So we have to give her that benefit of doubt. Let's agree she's saying the truth. So she said we should stop abusing her mother because the mother kicked against it. The only part that I don't now know is that, remember, there was a time that the mother said there's no way she can stop Regina, and Regina is the one that insisted she wanted to marry the guy, the daddy. Okay? Now the father then told us, he kicked against it. He said he doesn't want it. He kicked against it. Okay, so but on the day of the wedding, glaringly, as far as we can see, the mother was the one doing pepefuru. She was even looking like this. She looked very much like this thing, I'm interested. Because a mother or a father that is not interested or is not giving consent to something, there's an attitude that you wear. But where I now saw that Regina backed that part up was that she said she's a blessing to her mother. That if not for her mother wouldn't have been able to, this one that is remanded in custody and co, her mother wouldn't have been able to train them. That it was her. She's a blessing. So meaning she was the breadwinner. She said so. You understand? Now I want to say something. A lot of African people, in fact, Africans, let me turn it down. Let me stop saying Africans. Nigeria. This is the problem that has been from our fathers. When you overburden your children with responsibility. I don't know if our mates carried it to their children. Because me, I know for sure that our mates too, some of them are overburdened by their parents. I know one lady, she died in this country. She died in this country. The husband told us, that it's her family that pied her. You know, normally people will say it's the family that pied the man because he's fending for everybody. But this particular lady, now only she, through her, when she got here, she was down. She was bearing kids, also walking around the clock to make sure that she tries to bring her sibling abroad and also to still at least be taking care of home. That is the way we are. That's why it's many of my age group or our set now, millennium, everybody is wondering that they are thinking that their children that they bettered in abroad, they are heartless. Because it's as like flower or something like that. Abroad children, you be the one in Nigeria there. I had friends that they will be the ones when we were in university, they are the one that will rent house. they are paying for house rent where their mother is and father. Is even if it's one, many things like that. That lady died. Okuni, she had 3 children. She died. I'm not saying don't overburden kids, but when you put too much of, that's what forces aside the not needs, the wants, the coveting of, I want to wear hair, I want to look bigger, I'm a socialite, everything. Aside that, yeah, for a young girl, you, because of the responsibility put on you by your family, only or you bring the breadwinner as young as 17, 18, you will do the unimaginable. You will go for what is not meant to, you're meant to go for. So when she said it with her mouth, she used her mouth to say it. Me, the only way I can say it again is that I will still blame Mama Regina, because Regina, in the bid to clear her mother, still threw her mother under the bus. Because how can a girl at that age be saying that it was through her the mother was able to cater for all the children? Through her. Come on now. Come on now. So the responsibility on her at a young age is already too much. And many people do it. That is Africa. Let me tell you that Nigeria, that's how we do things. We put too much of responsibility on our... It happens. You will see husband like this. He will be the one spending for all his family. If you are based in Nigeria, you will see your aunties, in-laws, they will hate your mother. They will hate your mother if your daddy is not taking care of them. One lie to lie. It has been. So, but when you put such responsibility on a girl, even boys, it's in Africa, let me turn it down. Nigerians, when your kids will go, they, you will see your kids buy big car. You will see your kids buying things that you will know that the boy has started doing fraud or selling drug. He's involved in something. Shagbafo, how do Yoruba say it? Uncle Ashawale. You should know that sometimes seem like the girl, she's now, what's she doing more than small acting? Then she's now bringing money in all of this. So because when she married this person, if she can give this person $50,000 and everything, if it is true, which I doubt is true, I'm believing it's a lie, but if it is true, you should know that then she didn't marry Ned a virgin. Then that means that the story of she was married a virgin is all lies. It's not true. It's big men. That's what then you will know. When you put too much of burden, you will see some mother, they will sponsor their children to go to Libya to go and do all this modern day slavery. When they get there, those daughters of theirs, they will buy them. Some of them will run mad. It's burden. When you put too much of burden, too much on a girl, some will come. That time when Italy was Italy, you understand? Now that is different. Many of the people that are there long time, it's prostitution they use in coming in. And if you go and find out, they have to take care of people back home. Their mama will even carry them to Jasmine place to fortify them, so that when they enter the show glass here, Oyibo will be paying them good money. Yes. How do you think that their money they are sending home? It's not that abroad is now is different now. People are working. In the early days then, when in the 80s, 90s then, our girls, they used to go to Holland, Italy, one other one like that. They go there for prostitution to fend for the people back home. Madam that even brought them got started with prostitution. They call it modern day slavery. So then you see, it's for me that you will hear stuff like they've done prostitution. Prostitution get grade, it get class, it gets, you know, level. It's prostitution. Marrying a clinical, all these things, is hustling and it's prostitution too. Aristo, all those things we used to call them in Nigeria then. I don't know what they call them now. Epa, anything, sha, buy. If the man not marry, he's exchanging of your body for what you want, and then those things, he get one girl that, the girl die for Ikeja. She fine. I don't want to mention her name. She fine. Go and ask people that know her. I said, how will you even ask when you don't know the person? The girl was dating 1419 that time. She can't rent one bungalow, you know, self-contained for her mother, her older sister. She had one older sister. That one used to follow her. She fine past that her own side. It was as if, just like the way she looked like Regina. She looks like Regina. She would date all these 419. Then there was one 419 man like that that really liked her. In fact, when she died with one of these 419. They had accident and she died. I'm sure that the world of the mother and her sibling crumbled because she was the breadwinner. If you see this girl, if you see her, she fine like Regina. The burden they put on her is too much. She is too much. So any guy that dates her then, more or less that she was doing prostitution, but they get class. You know, say prostitution get class, but not be every prostitution they stand for road. Prostitution go day house. You go, no, say I am dating all these rich men in exchange for money to take care of my family. She was their breadwinner and she died young. I think I'm just a year or two older than her. She died young. She died maybe late 20s. She rent if you see how this girl fine. If you see how this girl fine. You get one of my uncle that time. That my uncle gets money. My real, he get money. When they see the girl, tell me Kuti. On my 21st birthday. Say Kuti. See this girl eyeball. How can person fine like this? I can't say uncle. Say, as auntie they manage you now, all this money where you get, you want me to help you turn out to shake it. Oh yeah, this I get your babe, so I'm not too, you know, I just they just greet me, I just respect myself. Oh, I'm not feeling introduce you, I don't want me to turn your life to shake it. Now people say, money fine. If she they look you go see say water their eyes. Natural beauty. The day she died, I was even in London. When I heard Lagbaja is dead, I said, what? What's Banda? They say accident. She and one rich guy. And if I talk am too much, if those people that know her, I will know who I'm talking about. Especially take time. Or the older sister that used to follow her up and down. By the time people saw her 1 or 2 years later, she don't look like mad person. Because she could do her body no jail for the thing where the younger sister they make money. So what are people talking about? There's nothing else. They should calm down. Beg Ned. That's what I think. All those ones you are coming to say is what's the infringement of human rights. So they didn't know that it's infringement of human rights when they sent you a letter, honored you, invited you. You now carried the letter, brought it on social media, and was making a mockery of the police. You have looked for the police trouble now. It's wrong. It is wrong. When I was doing justice for Mohbad, that they wrote a petition against my name, I went to Nigeria. Because do you know why? I can be going at the airport and entering the airport and anything can happen. You can be arrested. You need to address it. Do you understand? You need to address it. I addressed it. I did the needful. I made sure I did the needful. They didn't invite me, but of course they went to lie and put my name. I was bullying a widow. I'm bullying a widow. I'm Shegbada, I'm Shegudman. But I did the needful. I addressed it so that it does not escalate further than what it simply means. So yeah, I didn't come online and was ranting and didn't do anything, or come online and start abusing the police. Why? They want to settle the matter or want to look into the matter, so address it. It's not social media that sent you the message. It is police. Go, honor the invitation. The only thing is that carry your lawyer with you. But you were all the people hailing you now online. Don't go. Don't. Yes, you are doing that. Well, what can? Okay, I didn't see the video, but all the people now, where are they? Not be inside house. They see they like me now. Some of us are using the thing to even do chats. They can't help you. All this social media stuff. When it comes to your matter, address it legally and sensibly and reasonably. Don't act like you are ignorant. And then more so, you are dealing with a lawyer. Forget about that. You are dealing with a powerful man. You are dealing with a powerful man. You are dealing with a powerful man. You see, he's not doing anything to Regina, but he will deal with you. Yeye Kudi, you are really slimming down. You look now. Oh, thank you, Obioma. God bless you. You are dealing with a powerful man, so you need to tame your mouth. Tame it. Allow Regina to be the one talking. Let her talk. He's most likely not going to arrest her. You know, he's most likely. But he's an old man. You can't be doing things in that manner. You can't roughly handle things and expect to get results. You need to be wise. You need to be wise. So, as far as I'm concerned, it is a shame that the situation is not getting better. It's worse. And if it is true that, yes, it's been granted bail, but nobody to sign all the documents and bail bonds and everything, so nothing is happening. Therefore, if it is true, they said they've adjourned the case till November something, so they are thinking he may stay there till November. I doubt it. I don't think you can remand someone in custody except you are not able to meet up to the bail bond. Do you understand? You can't remand someone and have granted bail except they are not able to meet up to bail bond. If they are not able to meet up, then there's nothing anybody can do. If not, he will go home. So the only thing is that they just want him to sleep. He will sleep. Mosquito will chop him. They want to teach him a lesson. Do you understand? They want to teach him a lesson. That is all. Me, I can't help. You can only say, Nado, you see that man now? I saw him. Mama Regina was not doing. She didn't do that on the day of Regina's wedding. They carry face for that man. The man looked like an abandoned furniture. They made him. He was useless. Now see the situation. Regina now updated, telling us the parents chose to reconcile together so that they can, because of her and because of me, man we una no respect. That man is the only one I want to applaud in Regina's family. You are a good father. Because if it is me, well, light a lie, I will off my phone. Me, I will off my phone. Anything you not like, make una talk. I don't bloody care. if it is me, if I am Regina's father, I will off my phone. 1 week, they should use it to deal with you people very well. 2 weeks. Because the enjoyment you people had for 7 years, at least if they use 1 month to take deal with you people, African come out, I go just off my phone. I won't answer. As long as I know that they won't kill them, they will only teach them the lesson of the enjoyment where they softly enjoy for Ned. In small, even if it's small, I will off my phone. Me, if it is me. If you people like say it's be talking, men are bad, men are terrible, oh this man, it's you people's business. When they were enjoying inside limousine, enjoying inside Prada, because the name of all this car, was it there with them? No, they all enjoyed. At least we saw it. The child was in the mansion, even though Regina said she's the one feeding all the wives and all the family when the man couldn't feed his family. Well, I can't wait for that Ned Nwoko, that paper. I'm waiting for him one day. He should come and tell us, how can Regina be feeding the family? It's bad though. Regina said, you people didn't read it. Do you want me to read it? She updated today. She said she's the one that was feeding the family. She was covering up for him. She was doing this. She was doing bada. Ikoko baba. I don't. You people didn't read it. Please. What is your topic? My topic is about Ashwebi. Did I not put it? I put it there now. Abiola, I will play it. But I'm going to go there now. Did you people read it? Did you read on the other part? Do you want me to read it? If you didn't read it, let me know. Ned is not a rich man from time. They play. Ned is not a rich man from time. So she was using her money to feed the family. Yes, so especially funding the Moroccan wife, and she insulted her. Okay, you have read it, so there's no need for me to read it. Okay. I'm waiting that after this whole matter, I should read it. Okay. I'm coming. Let me read it. I see some of you say, read it. Let me read it. Because maybe you people don't believe me. When I saw it, I said, hey, Olo Majekalo, how can I be number 6? Some people are even saying number 8. Hey, I'm going to be feeding Ned's family. But are you ashamed? Let me read it. In fact, she don't update Sote. She don't update Sote. Regina. So let me read about the brother. So it says he is currently at Kefi prison. Dutch magistrate has suddenly disappeared. Ned, you can pay everybody, but you can't pay for integrity. This one is Sweezy the verse, but make I just read them. That one, they even thank God say they leave that one for Regina. Make it the update for us. Ned, you can pay everybody, but you can't pay for integrity. Sammy is currently in prison. Everyone, please help me ask Ned, what is Sammy's offense? Are you asking us to ask Ned? Why? Anyway. Sammy said, my lawyers are on their way. I was not given an opportunity to call no one. Please, can I call them? Judge said, remand him till they can file for his bail. Bail has been filed. Magistrate has disappeared. No one available to sign. Are you seeing? You shall won't make he test the prison. Ned, the most important man in the universe, you still not fit big pass. You understand? You know, their they are showing color. Instead of them to settle their matter, let the mother and the father, let them go and, let them settle their king, be their village. They should call the chiefs, the chiefs. They should settle the matter. They are coming online abusing Ned. I'm not saying what Ned is doing is good, but let me tell you people the truth. These boys need to shut up. Jokes aside, they need to shut up. I'm not saying that what Ned is doing, they need to shut up. Because that boy that they said when they invited him to, he was talking anyhow. Now they abused Ned online. You can't do that. You can't do that. You see everybody for Ned family, they just quiet, they look. You can't do that. It is wrong. It is wrong. So let me continue. Because now only them occupy the whole of everywhere you go. Let me look for where she's talked about this. Okay, see, this is where she and see how they are ridiculing Baba Regina. See Baba Regina. See. Hasn't the man remarried? See, what's all this nonsense for? What's all this nonsense for? When the man, this man looked like house help on the day they were wedding, Ned wedded. Now, see her doing lovey-dovey with the man, because they want the society to think that all is well. Anyway, Regina is happy about that. Let me look. Don't be think. I know some of you to be hurting you that I'm not supporting Mama Regina. I can't support her. So let me read that part that I wanted to read. See it here, so you can see. I will read it for you people. Can you see it? So Regina calls out Ned Nwoko and a co-wife in emotional rant, says she has been disrespected and mocked. In a new viral late night post, Regina said she's tired of being mocked and misrepresented, adding that she has done more than people know to keep her home together. According to her, she left her own extended family. So her extended family is mommy, I believe that's what she meant, and her brother, like this one where they put for prison, and co, and her sisters and co. Let me go back. According to her, she left her own extended family to support a polygamous setup, only to be repaid with what she described as ongoing disrespect. Please, can somebody tell me, how can you, a small baby, you see, when we are talking, we should also ask ourselves, can you people make it make sense to me? How can you, a 20, now 24, as a 10, 18, a year old, how can you say you want to go and help a polygamous home? Number 6, there's nothing anybody can tell me. In fact, some people have even started looking for excuses. They said maybe not just say Ned just her. Okay, some people have started saying that it's possible maybe Ned just her, so she's a victim. Okay, according to her, she left her own extended family to support a polygamous setup, only to be repaid with what she described as ongoing disrespect. Regina referred to Ned as an odogu whose name should carry legacy for the sake of their sons. Munir, and Khalifa, but said online drama has now made everything look messy. She also claimed she had supported, funded several things within the home, but kept quiet because of dignity. You know, there are some times that you will support your home, yeah, even we that are married like this. Do you understand? It happens. Am I not making sense? Sometimes we support homes. You understand? We support homes as women, because that's what we are. Women are supporters to their husbands. But when a man is a polygamist, please, will you also be feeding the other wives and the children too? Eh? Tell me, make it make sense to me. If it's not that, they still think it's looking like there's something not right with all this their story. So one man, one woman, I be that like me now, my marriage, to God be the glory. I just pray it stays like that. I don't want trouble. Yeah. As far as I know, in the house is monogamy. In my as I know, as I am here. So of course, if my husband, you know, sometimes okay, I'll do food shopping, which is okay. And my husband go come chop am, my children go chop am. Not be say so God forbid if my husband has another olori buruku now, then the person I go dey give am food. And as young as Regina is, and her mother is alive, the mother didn't tell her that, no, you can't be doing this. Do you understand? Her mother is alive. So what is the purpose of marrying Ned? If not that, in fact, I will read something for you people. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. Out of everyone that have written out something or spoken or critically analyzed this thing, it just makes sense. Maybe because we reasoned alike. We reasoned alike on this matter. I will read it. And that is the analysis of our Odogu. What's this man's name? I will go and look for his name now. The name don't sakpa milori. This veteran son. I will look for the name now. This veteran son. His name has gone off my head. Not Charlie Boy. Not Charlie Boy. I'm not. Charlie Boy. I know. I really. Yeah. What Charlie Boy said is cool, but Charlie Boy was more of. You know, Charlie Boy was just saying they should put it matter inside. Everybody knows that. True. When no, it's not Charlie Boy. It's the actor, the Igbo man. Yours dad brother said something. Yours brother said, which y'all can never say anything that makes sense. Which y'all? He's the brother, the older brother. How can y'all be the one? How can you say God is faithful? How can you say y'all? We say y'all is worse than Ned now. You're okay. No, it's not linked. I will get it now. I will read it. Don't worry. Let me finish reading this one that this person said. But you people are on point. This is one of the brothers, but it's not y'all, and it's not in those one. Y'all are linked. They are the same. Y'all, they are the same. They can't say anything that is reasonable like that. But that one, I think his name is Zed or Ned or something like that. Not Ned. I will bring it. Don't worry. Regina referred to Ned as an ohen. Let me see. She also claimed she had supported and funded several things within the home, but kept quiet because of dignity and peace. Regina further alleged that a co-wife once accused her of having bad intentions towards the children, and it was speculated that it is Laila. Which you people, how can you people be saying y'all that we say something? Please, y'all that did was forget it. I'll go and get it. Is it Leo? Is it Leo? I will get it. I think it's Leo. I'll get it. It's not Link. It's not Leo. Those two, you know that their story is not. Yinka has made a Link to be like, has actually told us Link is a gigolo now. So let's forget about that one. I think it's Leo. I think it's Leo. I think you people are on point. I'll get it, don't worry. She also claimed Regina further accused a co-wife once accused her of having bad intentions towards the children and said it hurts her deeply because according to Regina, she has always tried to maintain peace. In her words, she is the brokest and the richest at the same time, despite everything, she handled responsibilities in silence. I'll read how she wrote it, but I'm just reading how Edochie family. Yes, I will go and get it. Regina said she doesn't want the world to see her family finished, but added that she's tired of being insulted, especially when she has tried to handle things privately. That, if she does that, I don't think there's any sense in that, and nobody can thank her for it. Maybe Ned should thank her, because really and truly, is she okay? How can you go and be funding a polygamous home? Is she okay? You people think of this thing now. What is the reason for her saying and doing all? That's why some people are really thinking she's on cheap drugs. But I don't know. It may be that she did it when she's like maybe just funded a bit, but exaggerating it. It may be. It may be. Yeah. Sometimes maybe the man is broke. And the man will promise her, don't worry, I'll give you money. Oh yeah, you take care of the home. But the way she's saying, I see she even fed the older ones and everybody. Now she said, let me read it from beginning. I come out for a steady family, go they support polygamous home. I am really mad. So it's okay to mock me, guy. She's the one writing it out. Omo, Ned, you suppose be Odogu. You be Odogu actually. You be Odoga, not just to me, but to the entire Odogus. Even if now 1,000 naira you get, because Munir and Khalifa's father's name should have a legacy like Ojuku, even in years to come. But Omo, make I just break this my second nonsense phone, because we all kinda too big for the rubbish online talk. Not be pride, na shame, cause I won't just talk or go to sleep. Are you understanding? You know, you people will understand that because she's speaking Gen Z English. Me, I didn't understand the Gen Z English. I shall use sense carry on. Ogun go actually punish Nedo. Make sure to tell that your wannabe Regina wife. I don't know whose message is this. You know, there was another message that was on the other side. I think somebody that was responding to her regarding what she did to her when she was still with Ned. How do you want me to read it, or let me just be reading it? And yo, everyone stop talking about 50,000 K. It's unnecessary. It's unnecessary and belittling, because if I drop waiting I don't actually do, everybody go say I dey craze. I am the brokest person on planet Earth, at the same time the richest in my small way. So she's affirming about that money the mother mentioned, but saying that it's even more. Okay, I'm coming. I'm trying to maybe that's it, Chad. Somebody was abusing on the other side. Google kill Nedo. Okay, so anyway, Chad, that one is that one. Let me read the one that I said is important before I go to the one that I want to do. Nonsense talk. Gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ tí ẹ rí rábàrábà. They behave like crazy people on under regime. They like me. They continue. They here. I'm coming. Okay, so this guy Leo. So it's Leo. Can you see him? Can you see Leo? You wrote it out. I'll read it. It's Leo. Can you see? Don't mind them. We Tutu. You concern us. You not concern us. So if not that clear and that's all wrong. What's it concern? If the other wives are not working, what's our business? That's their bloody business in their family. What's our own? Did they cry out to us? Not be waiting Regina, they tell us. Do we know how fight is true? We have all assumed that Ned is the one catering for all of them, and at least that private